GMC LS engine was making noise, like a bad noise. The oil pressure was low, really low. And then set the code P0 300 as multiple cylinder misfire detected. So what's going on with this engine? It's a good engine. I know it's only 142,000 miles. It's low mileage, but it was doing a lot of noise. So what's the problem with this? When the engine was cold, the oil level was shown normal. I thought everything was fine concerning the oil level. So I decided putting here inside the engine a motor flush, clean the system, and put new original OEM oil and filter. And what I found, when I take a look to the level after putting in, the engine flush, I put all barrel in the engine, and when I check the dipstick, they showed me it's still empty. So it was necessary for me add 1.25 more the oil, and then I saw some oil on the dipstick. So when I turn it on for 5 minutes with using water flash, I found the oil pressure was reached 38 pounds, and before that was having only 18 or 17 pound pressure. So that was the problem. The engine oil was dirty, the oil level was